I want to share with you a story that changed how I see everything. In the very beginning, before there was time or space or anything at all, there was only a deep, dark ocean. Floating on these endless waters was Lord Vishnu, resting in peaceful sleep on a giant snake named Ananda. From his belly button grew a beautiful lotus flower, and from that flower Brahma was born, the one who creates everything. But here is the amazing truth. Vishnu was never born. He is the source of everything. Everything that exists, all the gods, all people, all of nature comes from him and returns to him. Vishnu is like the dreamer of the whole universe. He creates it, he protects it, and he guides it with his loving energy. When darkness ends and creation begins, Vishnu wakes up, and the whole cycle of life starts again. He is not just another god among many gods. He is the eternal presence behind all of reality. Lord Vishnu, the protector of the universe, is often shown with a beautiful blue color, like the sky and ocean. He has 4 arms, and each holds something special. In one hand he holds the Sudarshan Chakra, a spinning disk of cosmic energy. In another he holds the Shankha, a divine shell that makes the sound of creation itself. His third hand holds the Gada, a mace that shows strength and justice. And his fourth hand holds the Padma, a lotus flower that shows purity and divine beauty. Vishnu rests on the cosmic snake Anant, whose endless body floats on the infinite ocean. He rides Garuda, a giant eagle-like being who is both his vehicle and his most devoted follower. His heavenly home is called Vaikuntha, a place beyond time, full of peace and divine light. There, always by his side, sits goddess Lakshmi, his eternal partner, the goddess of wealth, prosperity, and devotion. Together, they show the balance of cosmic order, compassion, and abundance. Lord Vishnu was first mentioned in the Rig Veda, the oldest Hindu text. But in those early days, Vishnu was not the main god. He was seen as a helper of Indra and known for taking 3 big steps across the universe. This later became the story of his Vamanavatar, where he measured the whole world in just 3 steps. As time passed, Vishnu's role grew bigger. In the Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita, he became the supreme divine force, especially through his incarnation as Krishna. Love for Vishnu spread widely with the rise of Vaishnavism, a major path of Hindu worship. Through his avatars like Rama and Krishna, people started seeing him as the protector of the world. His peaceful and loving nature made many people worship him. This is how Lord Vishnu slowly became one of the most loved and worshipped gods in Hinduism today. In Hindu belief, Lord Vishnu is the protector of the universe. Whenever evil becomes strong and Dharma, the path of truth and goodness, starts to fall, Vishnu takes an avatar or a physical form to restore balance. There is also an ancient story of a curse that explains why he keeps returning. In ancient times, there was a big fight between the Devas and the Asuras. The Asuras had a powerful teacher named Shukracharya, the son of sage Brigu and his wife Kavyamata. To help the Asuras win, Shukracharya began deep meditation to gain a divine mantra from Lord Shiva, a power that could bring the dead back to life. While Shukracharya meditated, he asked the Asuras to hide in his father Brigu's ashram. The Devas, seeing their enemies unprotected, launched a surprise attack. With sage Brigu away, the Asuras ran to his wife Kavyamata for help. Using her spiritual powers, she paralyzed Indra, the king of the Devas. The Devas were scared and prayed to Lord Vishnu for help. Vishnu entered Indra's body to protect him, but Kavyamata threatened to destroy them all. To save Indra, Vishnu used his divine weapon, the Sudarshan Chakra, and cut off Kavyamata's head. When sage Brigu returned and saw what had happened, he was heartbroken. Angry that Vishnu had killed a woman, he cursed Lord Vishnu to take multiple births on earth and to suffer the pain of birth and death like all humans do. This curse is why Vishnu keeps coming back to earth in different forms to help humanity, to restore balance, and to show us the way. Here is what this means for you and me today. Vishnu's story teaches us that even the highest divine being takes human form to help others. He comes down to our level, feels our pain, and shows us the way forward. Whenever things get too dark, whenever evil seems too strong, help comes. Balance is restored. goodness returns. You might feel like you are fighting battles no one sees. You might feel like darkness is winning in your life. But just like Vishnu keeps returning to restore balance, there is a force of goodness that keeps working in your life too. You are never alone in your struggles. There is always a way forward, always a return to light, always a restoration of balance. If you are carrying a weight that no one knows about, if you smile in public but cry alone, remember this. The protector of the universe chose to experience human pain to understand us better. Your struggles are seen, your pain is understood, and just as Vishnu returns again and again, your strength returns too. Keep going, even when it hurts. The balance will be restored.